first part is now going to the over and the second part will be the started. Now you can see this is the second part. This one is the second part. This one, the second part is now going on, and see here the second part is now going to the over and the third part will be the started soon. See this one, the third part. Nowadays is a historical moment for the Indian Railway. The 4 goods train now the combine is going on. This one the third part. The historical day of the Indian Railway today. Now you can see this third part is now going over and the fourth part will started. You will never ever seen this type of the combination. This is the first time of the Indian Railway, and this one the fourth part. अप्रॉक्स 2.5 किलोमीटर ट्रेन, 2.5 किलोमीटर के लगभग में है ये। भारतीय रेलवे के इतिहास में पहली बार ये 4 वैगनों का कॉम्बिनेशन आपको दिख रहा है जो जा रहा है इंडियन रेलवे। रियली ये बहुत प्राउड फील हो रहा है। नाउ द लास्ट वन पार्ट इज गोइंग ओवर. This was the last goods wagon of this train.